Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to reset the HP Deskjet 2742e printer. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, luckily for you, this is one of the easiest printers to reset, and I'll tell you why. There's pretty much no settings that remain on the printer other than the actual Wi-Fi network that it's connected to, which in turn will be likely connected to the HP Smart app on your device, okay? So essentially, it's not like a really sophisticated printer where you're gonna have like 50 different settings that are saved on the printer. You basically have your Wi-Fi network that is saved on the printer, and then that's all. Like, the rest of it is controlled through your printing options whenever you print. So if you want to reset the printer and start brand new, all that you basically have to do is one thing for sure, and potentially a second thing. The first thing that you have to do is reset the Wi-Fi connection from the printer to your Wi-Fi network. To do that, all that you have to do is press and hold down on the cancel button right here, which is that red X, and then the Wi-Fi button right there, which looks like a Wi-Fi logo. I'll do it with these fingers so you can sort of see the light. So press and hold both of those down, the cancel button and the Wi-Fi button together. Press and hold them down just like this for a few moments. And as you can see now, that light went off, and we've now reset the Wi-Fi. So it's no longer connected to the network. It forgot the Wi-Fi network. The second thing that you might have to do is go into your HP Smart app and hide this printer or remove this printer from your settings on the app. So if you've connected this to your HP Smart app, which most likely you did in order to connect it to the Wi-Fi network, then you're gonna have to go into that app, and then you're gonna have to either hide the printer or remove the printer from the app, from the settings within the app. And that's it. As you can see, it's flashing, meaning it's not connected to Wi-Fi. It's searching for the network. And when you remove it from the app, it'll basically be fresh. You get to start again. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a, sorry, I should rephrase that. I don't want to call it fresh. It'll basically be like out of the box, basically. So like the only difference between an out of the box printer and this one that you've reset will be the fact that you've already installed the ink cartridges in it. Okay, so that's basically the only difference. So that's how to reset it. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.